Have you ever imagined a world without electricity? Dark, silent, and very different from the life we know today. However, behind the ease of turning on lights, charging mobile phones, or enjoying various electronic devices lies the story of an extraordinary figure who changed everything, namely Michael Faraday. Born into a humble family in the heart of London, Faraday's early life was far from the glitz of the scientific world. His formal education was limited, but his passion for learning never waned. Working as a bookbinder, Faraday found a window to knowledge. Every page he saw, every word he read, fostered his great curiosity, especially about mysterious natural phenomena, such as the invisible power of electricity. His interest in science, especially electricity, grew. He began conducting simple experiments with simple equipment, trying to understand the secret behind the power that could grab and pull metal objects. This was the beginning of the journey of an ordinary young man who would lead him to become one of the most influential scientists in history.
A turning point in Faraday's life came when he had the opportunity to attend public lecture given by the leading scientist of the day, Humphrey Davy, at the Royal Institution. Fascinated by Davy's demonstration of chemical and electrical experiment, Faraday took careful notes of every detail. With courage and confidence, Faraday then sent his neat and structured lecture notes to Davy. Impressed by the young man's intelligence and perseverance, Davy offered Faraday a job as a laboratory assistant at the Royal Institution, a golden opportunity for Faraday to dive straight into the world of scientific experiment. Although he had to face challenge because of his background, which was not from a prominent background. It was in this laboratory, under the guidance of Davy, that Faraday began to develop his experimental skills. He trusted for knowledge and sought to understand more deeply the relationship between electricity and magnetism. This was the beginning of a series of groundbreaking experiments that would change our understanding of the universe. One of his first significant discoveries was the demonstration of electromagnetic rotation. Through careful experiment, Faraday was able to show how magnetic force could move a conductor carrying a continuous electrical current. This was the forerunner of the electric motor that now powers many of the devices around us. But Faraday's genius was at the height of his most revolutionary discovery, electromagnetic induction. Through a series of trial and error experiments, he demonstrated that a changing magnetic field could produce an electric current in a coil of wire. This moment laid the foundation for the power plants and transformers that are the backbone of the modern electrical system. With his deep understanding, Faraday even formulated a mathematical law that explained this phenomenon, now known as Faraday's law of induction. This was not only a practical discovery, but also a conceptual breakthrough
that connected to previously considered separate forces of nature, electricity and magnetism. Faraday further introduced the revolutionary concept of electric and magnetic fields. Instead of mysterious action at a distance, he envisioned invisible fields that filled the space around charged objects, and through which this force acted. This concept laid an important foundation for the development of modern physics. Faraday's journey was not always smooth, however. He faced challenges in convincing the established scientific community of his new ideas. Some scientists of his time found it difficult to accept the abstract concept of fields. Nevertheless, with strong experimental evidence and unwavering faith, Faraday pressed on, paving the way for a deeper understanding of the universe.
Michael Faraday's discovery of electromagnetic induction was not only a scientific breakthrough, but also the foundation for the electrical revolution that transformed civilization. It gave birth to the power plants that light homes and cities, the electric motor that power industry and transportation, and the electronic devices that are integral to our modern lives. Despite initial skepticism, Faraday's extraordinary contributions were eventually widely recognized. He was respected by his peers and the public for his dedication and genius. His legacy lives on through the technology we use every day. His profound thoughts on electric and magnetic fields also paved the way for the development of modern physics, inspiring later scientists including James Clerk Maxwell. We developed a more comprehensive theory of electromagnetism based on Faraday's ideas. The story of Michael Faraday is proof that boundless curiosity, unwavering perseverance, and a passion for experimentation can change the world from a bookbinder hungry for knowledge heroes to become one of the most influential scientists in history, leaving a legacy of electric light and the power of technology for generations to come.
As the closing of the inspirational story of Michael Faraday, we can draw some important conclusions. His life journey taught us about unlimited curiosity strength, how the limitations of the background are not a barrier to achieving greatness, and how important perseverance in facing challenges to realize revolutionary discoveries. Faraday's contribution does not only change our scientific understanding of nature, but also fundamentally changing the way we live. From his discovery of electromagnetic induction to the concept of a field of style, Faraday's legacy continues to echo in the technology we enjoy today. It is a real example of how science, which is driven by experiment and careful proof, can bring tremendous changes to humanity. Then, what can we learn from the story of Michael Faraday? The first, fertilizer curiosity. Like Faraday, inspired by books, keep asking and looking for answers about the world around us. And second, don't be afraid to experiment. Failure is part of discovery process. Keep trying and learning from every experiment. Third, appreciate science. Support research and education because of the innovation and progress originated. Fourth, realize the technology impact. Remember that the confidence we enjoy today, it is the result of hard work and dedication of scientists such as Faraday.